So here's the iPad out of its giant case, and there's the jack on the end there. So I'm going to see what kind of thing I could do for this. So I just have to think way outside the box. So what I'm going to do is have a look at it. I'm going to see if I can pick it out, but I think I'm going to have to drill a hole sideways through the jack in order to anchor something in there to pull it out. So I'll see what happens here. Alrighty then, so the first thing I'm going to do is take a drill bit here. This is maybe half of my drill bit collection. Switch to a different pin vise. So here's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to drill a hole through the side of the jack, and with a 0.3 millimeter bit by hand, because I don't think there's any other way of doing this. So if the bit breaks, I've got more 0.3 millimeter bits, but I'm guiding it with one hand to keep it from bending too much, and then with the other hand just rotating the bit. So I'm going to work on this for a little while and see what happens. So I think I've gotten the bit through here. So now I'm getting the bit through there nicely. As you can see, I've got myself a bit of a hole here, a bit of a hole. Now, these are carbide bits, so they're very brittle and they snap off if you let me just back that off. Now, I'm not sure if that's enough of a hole for me to pick this thing out. I'm going to try with the pick here. The pick actually might be too big for the hole. Nope. It looks like I've got some grip here. Don't give up. So you can see it coming out, eh? I'll show you the hole first. Not sure if you can see that, but it's got a pretty good hole in the side. Right around here. The hole is right there. And I should be able to pick this, take this hole and right in the arm. Always wear a helmet when you do this kind of crap. Trying to pick it out under control here. I definitely don't want it going back in, that's for sure. So let me think here, what else can I use to jam in there? I know I've got a nice pair of tweezers here, but I don't want to ruin them because they're for watchmaking. But they might be strong enough for me to get leverage here. I need leverage, baby. Yeah, they're still good. Done. It's officially out. So I'll show you where the hole is I drilled. Right there. That's where the hole is, right there. So that was the trick. So I took this, drilled a hole in the side, put a little mark here, but that's no big deal, and then was able to get a grip on it to pull it out. So now the new jack should fit in, but I'm going to clean this up first. So first thing I'm going to do is spray it with an air bottle here, an air puffer. So that's good, and I've puffed it out so there should be nothing left in that hole. And now I'll take another jack and see if it fits in there without a problem. And that's the end of the jack that's snapped off.